Hi, this is Greg with Stokes Ladders. Today, I wanted to show you one of our custom builds that we built for a customer. Here at Stokes Ladders, our flagship product has always been and always will be our tripod orchard ladder. But we do a lot of custom builds completely out of the farming industry for customers. A lot of times a customer will come to us with a problem and we'll help them develop a solution. This in particular ladder is considered a mobile ladder stand platform. Notice a big, large 14.5-foot platform is 24 inches deep. It is a big working platform. So the customer came to us, they needed to work from an elevated platform up against an object to assemble it. Now, I don't know what is underneath it because it was blurred out in the drawing because we're not allowed to know what's underneath it. But there's a big object under here that this has to clear. We have wheels, so you could tip it and roll it into place. You could access from either side. The stand is rated at 500 pounds. For this particular ladder, the customer needs to access an area up here and assemble some sort of product, which we're not sure what it is. There's some large object underneath. We were only given dimensions. We weren't allowed to know what that is either. But the customer can access either side of the ladder, more than one user at a time. They have a 24-inch wide platform, 14.5 feet long to work from. There's a handrail that keeps them safe from falling off the back. There's a tow board so they can't step off the front. And their workstation is right here so they can't fall off the front. It's a very stable platform. They could walk all the way through, come down the other side. It's still a ladder. Notice how I face the ladder while climbing down. So this is one particular example of a custom build, but we have all sorts of custom builds. We've built ladders that hang off bridges for them to access the underside to paint. We've built rolling, almost like library ladders that go in these really hot ovens to access really classified other things. We've built clean room ladders for computer companies. If you have a access issue where you can't find an off-the-shelf product to get yourself or your employees where you need to be to safely do whatever task is required, we have 60 years experience plus actually designing, developing, and manufacturing and testing ladders to the ANSI standards. There's various ANSI standards that govern ladder manufacturing, designing, and testing. Our vast knowledge of these standards, as well as our in-house capabilities of CAD design, CNC machining, TIG welding, CNC tube bending, and various other in-house capabilities really allow us to step outside the box and come up with a custom solution that solves your access problems. Whether maybe there's confined space and you can't get a regular ladder in there, or maybe there's interference issues where there's objects in the way and you can't get a ladder to where you need to be. Give us a call, send us an email. We'd love to see what you're working with, and I'm sure we could find a great solution for you. Thank you for watching.